Good morning from here in Jekyll Island, Georgia, just 2 hours south of Savannah. Gorgeous sunrise that was, and I've never been on a beach like that, so that was super cool. So the original plan was to spend like the next 2 days here, but that was before I found out you had to pay $10 to get on the island. It's also like a parking fee of sorts, so I'm gonna try to do everything today instead. But first, before I come up with my new game plan, ow, there's bugs. I'm gonna take a nap because I did wake up at 5 a.m. for that sunrise, so I'll check in with you guys in a few hours.
In case you're new here, hi, I'm Julia, and I've been living in my minivan full-time since mid-October. Since leaving home, I've mainly been exploring the southeastern region of the United States and have just made it to my 12th state of Georgia. My goal over the next few years is to hit all U.S. states and national parks, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to follow along with my adventure.
I took my nap, I relaxed, I got my game plan going, so I'm now at Great Dunes Beach. This is where I've been chilling for the past few hours in the parking lot. I'm gonna go actually do stuff, but before I do that, I did want to touch on dealing with the heat. So you guys saw me in the beginning of van life, I was dealing with the cold. That was something, sleeping in 30-degree weather, but now we're on the other extreme of that. Today it's about 85, it's just getting hotter, feels like 90. If I do choose to hang out in the minivan, I try to find a parking lot with lots of shaded parking spaces, so that's like what I did today, especially at night going into the morning, because around 8 or 9 a.m. the sun starts waking me up, so I try to find somewhere shady to park so I can like delay that a bit longer. I also keep, all the windows rolled down, sometimes even the big door open. This not as much, but yeah, the windows always roll down. Of course I dress light, and I did get a little fan that just knocked me in the face, and it uses like no power, it just connects to my battery, and I just keep it going. At night it's nice because it gives a little breeze. Even during the day it gives like a nice little breeze if it's pointed at me. Honestly, I like the heat. I don't mind that I don't have AC. I prefer getting cool over trying to stay warm. If I don't hang out in the minivan, what do? I hang out in like a Panera or something, just hang out and like do my thing in there instead. Or a day like today, I just go out and about sightseeing ish. Like today's gonna be a beach day. I'm gonna take advantage of this hot weather and go get some beach time in. Why not? First stop is gonna be breakfast though, because I am starving. So I was going to make one more stop here on Jekyll Island, but I'm just tired and I want to take a shower. But that last stop was going to be Sharktooth Beach. If I ever come back, I would definitely check it out and go at low tide. I was waiting for low tide, which is in an hour, but I'm just too tired. And the gym closes in 3 hours. So I just want to go shower and just chill out for a bit for the rest of the day. And now I have driven down to the St. Mary's and Kingsland area because I have something pretty fun planned for tomorrow. So today I'm going to Cumberland Island. I am just parking here in the National Park Service parking lot. I think it's free. I'm gonna look around, but yeah. And from here I have to take the ferry to get to the island. hear the cicadas? They're loud. But just to rewind a little, I did confirm that that parking lot was free, and then the check-in process was pretty easy and quick. Luckily, I have my America the Beautiful pass, so I did not have to pay, you know, the extra $15 to get on the island. After that, ferry was nice and quick. Right as we got on the island, bam, horse. There are wild horses on this island. Didn't know how elusive. Oh, wait, I got embarrassed. There were people. What was I saying? I didn't know how elusive the wild horses would be, but they're right there. So yeah, it's been a lovely day so far. I don't even think it's 10:30 yet. And now I'm walking over to the beach. Just want to have a nice little beach day here. This is also a nice touch. They have these ice water things all around the island. I'm gonna fill up my water bottle because this is definitely not ice cold, and this sounds really nice right now. Oh, ice cold. Oh goodness, I think it'll be fine. Let's go. It's hot but not unmanageable. Made it. The sand is so white. Absolutely no shade. Okay. Plan of action is to use this as shade for now to like protect my skin and walk down the beach. There's 2 more people over there. Look at this shell. Beautiful and fully intact. A crab. Anyway, I'm collecting more shells to give to my friends. So yay. I'm just hanging out here for a few hours. About 2 o'clock. Had a nice, beautiful few hours there on the beach. It's time to go back to the ferry. It leaves at 2:45, but you're supposed to be there 20 minutes before. Great way to spend the day, though. This island is so lovely. It is much later in the day, much cooler. I've been doing nothing. I did not get a chance to shower because it is Memorial Day and Planet Fitness is closed, but I did have a baby wipe shower in the Walmart bathroom stalls. Yay. Making my little dinner now. It's kind of similar. What did I do in my last video? I don't even think I cooked in my last video. In the video prior, I made this like strawberry salad. This is kind of the same thing, except instead of kale, arugula, and instead of strawberries, peaches. So I'm adding peaches. Next up, cheese. That is difficult to open. Hello. Okay, that's enough of that. And then more, just walnuts. And this recipe that I saw, I don't know, I took inspiration from, it said to use vinaigrette, but I'm gonna use balsamic vinegar. I don't know, I thought that would go well. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is a mess. Oh, bon appetit. Oh my gosh. I need to take a smaller bite next time. I thought I was gonna choke on the arugula there for a second, but delicious. This is exactly the flavor I wanted today. See you guys tomorrow. I am my... Stop. I am at my next and final stop here in Georgia, the Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge. Entrance is covered with my America the Beautiful pass, so that is lovely. As I was coming in, I got this little brochure thing because I didn't know what I was gonna do. It's a nice little brochure, gives you a map of the whole thing. This is the area I'm in, like this is the main area to visit. And they just have some trails listed here. I just started the ones that I think I'm gonna do. Shout out to my dad for recommending this spot because I had no idea about it. I did not get my camera out fast enough, but there was just a raccoon here. As soon as it saw me, it just ran into the bushes. I don't even know if I'm allowed to do this, but I was driving and there's no one here. Look. Hey, buddy. On trail number 2. Ugh. There's just bugs everywhere. I bet there's like 2 flies following me. There's dragonflies everywhere. Things keep biting me. I should have put bug spray on, honestly, but whatever. One more trail. And with that, guys, I am now leaving the refuge and leaving Georgia. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I really, really enjoyed my time in this state. Like, it was so nice, and I can definitely see myself returning one day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.